In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of streaming Netflix on Discord. While maintaining audio, often, users encounter issues where Discord fails to capture audio from Netflix when screen sharing. Here's how to solve it. Firstly, ensure you're using Google Chrome to watch Netflix, as this method relies on it. Open Discord and navigate to User Settings. Then, proceed to Activity Settings, and then click on Registered Games, and add Google Chrome as a game. Although it may seem odd, this step allows Discord to capture audio from Chrome. Once added, enable the overlay option for Chrome. Return to Discord and start a screen share session. Initiate the screen share on Discord. You'll find that the audio from Netflix is now successfully streamed alongside the video. This simple fix resolves the issue of Discord not capturing Chrome audio during screen sharing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more useful content. Thank you and have a great day.